help.
Fuck off. What are you doing looking through bins?
This is a 6.
Indigo Production.
Prop what?
The
Wait.
camera.
What do you mean camera?
I don't have to do anything.
Fuck off. You're sitting right there, you fucking
just
gym.
chill and
Try
look
find
at
my
it, see what
fucking
you
name.
do
Fuck
to
off,
that.
you fucking bitch.
I just prop
Right,
up.
yeah. We're doing a same day as the same day as. Oh, is it all black, bro? Stand up now, you lazy bastard. Same day as the. What did I change? Spark plugs. Fucking hell! Just did it 2 minutes ago. Right, we're doing a. We finally got the. Fucking hell! It's fucking freezing. Right, finally got a diffuser, another one. Finally got another one. So, fucking bastard. Right, so this was recommended, this one. Oh yeah, the reason why this didn't work yet is because this is the GTD one. For some fucking shit reason, yeah, the GTD has a different bumper. Mate, it looks the fucking exact same. The only, like, you know what, the Golf R1, it's got 2 exhausts there. So you know that's. What am I talking about here, bro? This shit fucking. If you got a GT, go suck my dick and buy this, bro. Absolute shambles, mate. Right, but if any other car, then, mate, I've opened it, but what's his name? Abraham Goshesh. Goshesh. Yo, read this, you fucking idiot. What does that say there, bro? Goshesh. 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 Bro, you need fixing with that second name, bro. Do you think I should do a giveaway with this one? Can't. Coronavirus. You're all locked in. You wouldn't be able to collect it anyway. Right. Let's fucking give this a whirl. What do you think? Do you think it's gonna work? Right. Fucking operating table. Mate, these fucking people are supposed to be in isolation. What the fuck are you doing? We're driving around. This is. We're facing a fucking pandemic here. Ooh, little baby one. Real little baby. Little baby ones, huh? Oh, he made the best chicken I've ever tasted. He made the best chicken I ever tasted, man. Right, already it's looking alright, isn't it? But I don't have any black paint, so I'll have to spray paint it once the pandemic. Were you recording down there again? You fucking prick, I'll fuck you up. Once the pandemic's over, I'll have to spray paint it then, because does it look alright? Everything's alright. It's looking up, mate. This looks like the right size, the perfect size compared to that one. Shall I take this one out as well? Take this one out. So this one here is for the GTD. I don't know why it's different. I don't know why. What are we saying here? Already, bro, it looks like it'll fit in it. Because this was well off. I'll take this one out and then we'll get a cheeky thumbnail with all 3, bro. Maybe I can have one like this. I'll have one like that, Steve, yeah? I'll have one like that. Look at that. Thumbnail done, mate. So I can't spray paint it. What do I need for that? Shit everywhere, right? Fucking hell. Right, T. Was it a T? Yeah, remember. T25. Yeah, T25. So and there's 2 screws. There's 2 screws. So do you remember the 2 screws? Wait, have I got my phone here? I'll fall out. Right. I'm gonna take the 2. Give it in, you fucking idiot. Keep it. Right. Last time I took 4 screws out. Wait, is this camera even up? Well, what the fuck? The wire was getting in the way. I was like, what the fuck, you're not even recording? Right, I took that one out, one down there, and then this one and that one. But now I'm just gonna take this one out because this one out and that one out. So I don't think you need to take 4 screws out. We'll see anyway. We'll see here and there today. How's it going, Sadiq? Mate, the car's filthy. I spray painted this gloss black.
Put your leg down.
It looks like dirt. 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 You know what I mean, Sadiq? Huh? You look it up. Fucking freezing today, yes. I swear it's spring, bro. There's the sun out. There's sun out. Where the fuck is sun out? How did I take this out last time? Fucking hell. I can't be honest, mate. I'm fucked from taking them fucking smoke plugs out. My hands are gone. How do I take it out, Steve? I'll flash out. Get flatted. So I don't think you need to take 4 screws out. That bit's. And remember, if you take the sides out, then the middle will just pop out. If you try fighting to take the middle out, it won't fucking work. The middle is a fucking sharing box. There we go. Fucking hell. Right. Come on, you fucking prick. Right. And then the middle will just cut. See, the middle is a fucking AIDS virus. Ah, my God, it's so cold. What do you think, Sadiq, mate? Where is it? Fucking beautiful. It will fucking slide straight in, mate. That is spot on. Fucking hell. Yes, lad, mate. That is dirty as fuck. It's supposed to be gloss black. Record Ibrahim out in the window.
He wants to go past.
Let's make it more presentable. Put that in. You need a cheek. So I can't spray paint it. I'll have to wait till the pandemic's over because the Halfords ain't open and I don't have enough of that one. I don't want to waste it on the spoiler. Mate, beautiful, mate. Wait, what's this one? The shitty GTD one. Fucking shit car, bro. Fucking shambles, mate. Beautiful. Right, thumbnail time, Sadiq. Hurry up. Yeah, you fucking do the letterbox, you
Oh, I don't have.
piece of shit.
Oh.
Happy birthday. Doesn't buy me that many fucking presents. Finish it? Fucking hell.
Oh.
Fuck off. Wait, are we gonna get pizza because it's their birthday?
Well, I don't know. I don't even know if it's open.
Wait, why are you giving the presents now? Party's not now, is it?
Yeah.
Wait, is it now?
He just comes with the food.
Wait, is the...
He goes down there.
Where is he? Will Zen open it? Maybe Eld will open it.
I don't know, probably. He's in there,
You're killing me.
Yeah.
In the door.
Yeah. I don't know.
Where's Adil? Where's Adil? Come on, Adil. You gotta say happy birthday, my dad's there. Hey? He wants to say happy birthday. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Right. What was I doing? Yeah, thumbnail.
So I cut it, I'm still rolling.
Yeah, well, mate, keep rolling fucking. Wait, no, we need to cut
You
it
did
for the fucking
thumbnail.
thumbnail, yeah. What are you doing looking through bins?
This is a 6 and blue bin.
You what?
What?
What are you doing? I'm trying to make a fucking thumbnail there. Look, I'm trying to. I can put this like this, innit?
Just hold him like this. The
What the fuck? Wait, is this the good one? Or? Fuck knows. Yeah, quick! That's the big one, isn't it? GTD one. Shit, man. This is the one. So obviously once I spray paint it looks 10 times. Actually it's semi-glossy now compared to that one, isn't it? Comparatively, look at that. It's already semi-glossy, isn't it? Oh mate, it's fucking filthy compared to that. Oh no, it's like oh shit. Right. You take a seat, man. Take a fucking seat. How's it going on there now? I think this will slide straight in there. Oh wait. Right, I'm trying to fix. Fucking hell, use your brain, Hamza, you prick. This one keeps fucking falling off, man. You fucking stay on there, you fucking. What the fuck? Do it on a fucking. Right, what we saying here, Sadiq? What we saying here? That's lining up there, that's lining up there. You feed the middle in first. Feed that in. Feed that in. Beautiful, man. Fucking beautiful. This fucking GTD. Fuck. Piece of shit. Right now. Oh, fucking beautiful, man. It slips straight. What's his name again?
So
Hey, Abraham Gosher. Man is out here, bro. Man is out. This is like, mate, it's fucking spot on, bro. Abraham, man, you're out here, bro. And then the screws, pretty. Hey, this thing is doing my nothing.
is it gone in already?
Mate, it's already in. Slip straight in, bro. No questions asked. Look at it. Right, let me tighten the screws in, and then I'll push the car out a bit, and then you can see it a bit better. Mate, even the screws just line up. You roll into the.
Yeah.
Perfect, mate. Hey, this fucking. I'll put this one in the link description below. And if you have a GTD, then I'll put that one in the link description below. Hey, look at that. Fucking beautiful. Oh, mate, I need to clean the car, bro. Nadeem, clean my fucking car, man. Fucking hell. It's a fucking right old stink. Right, that's done. push it down. Push it a bit. Fuck off. Have a look at this. Okay, mate, fucking beautiful this. You fucking idiot. What? You piece of shite. Look at that. Obviously, mate, it's just dirty, man. Oh yeah, you can capture it in here. You can capture it in here. Make these fucking birds, bro. Bastards. Oh, looks so much better than that one. So yeah, that's that done. You go sleep though. Right. I'll put that in there. What's his name again? Abraham Goshish. My back's gone to shambles. So that is the end of that. Next week, I don't know what, because I needed to do a video on the 0 to 60 on this because it's been remapped, so I don't know what it's like 9 something or 8 something the actual time, but I needed to do a 0 to 60 on this. But the current situation, obviously can't really leave your house, if I get stopped then it's like, where you going? Oh, just do 0 to 60, mate. So I don't know for next week. I don't know what, because right now it's 31st, but this video will be out within 2 weeks time. By then I don't know if there's a cure. If there isn't, then next week I don't know what video will be out, to be honest. I'm not 100% sure. But that is that. Also, come here, see, the thing's holding up. Remember when I sprayed it? When I sprayed the thing, it's holding up, bro. It's holding up. Yeah, it's fucking filthy, it is. It's fucked. Right. See the moon. See the moon. See the moon.
I'm a different kind of chick. Oh, nah, nah, nah.